Hello, I'm Jared, a customer service specialist at the AWS office in Dublin. Today I'll show you the different payment methods that AWS accepts across various AWS seller accounts. Let's get started. AWS provides a lot of flexibility when choosing your payment options. You manage payment types from the Payment Methods page, which can be found in the Preferences section of the AWS Billing Console. Note that payment options can vary somewhat depending on your geographic location. The accepted payment methods depend on the AWS seller of record for your account. You can find the name of your AWS seller of record on your invoice. To check what payment methods are available to your seller of record, click on Payment Preferences on your billing console and select Add Payment Method. The available payment methods for you. This will vary depending on your seller of record. Also note, when you select credit card, all available accepted credit cards for your seller of record will appear. Prepaid credit and debit cards are an accepted payment method. However, the accepted credit card issuers depend on your seller of record. Also, if you use a prepaid card, it's best practice not to rely on it as your default payment method, as the card balance running out could lead to failed payments and potential account suspension. Let's go through some accepted payment methods by AWS seller of record. For AWS Inc. and AWS Marketplace accounts, the following payment methods are accepted. Credit and debit cards issued by Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club, and JCB. China Union Pay credit cards. ACH direct debit payments for qualifying customers. For AWS Europe and AWS Marketplace EMEA accounts, the following payment methods are accepted. Credit and debit cards issued by Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. SEPA and ACH direct debit payments for qualifying customers. To get started with ACH or SEPA direct debit, both of these programs require that you have paid at least one invoice in full in the past 12 months, and that you have paid at least a total of $100. ACH requires payments to be processed in US dollars, and SEPA requires payments to be processed in euros. Various credit and debit cards are accepted, such as MasterCard, American Express, and in some cases, local card providers for these additional seller accounts. AWS SPL, AWS South Africa, AWS Korea, AWS Singapore, AWS New Zealand, AWS Australia, AWS Canada, AWS Japan, AWS India, AWS Malaysia, and AWS Turkey. Amazon gift cards and PayPal are not accepted payment methods for AWS services. If you have any further questions on payment methods or what payment methods are available to you, please open up a support case with AWS Customer Service by clicking on the Support Center on your console and selecting Account and Billing. And that's how you pay your AWS bill using the various accepted payment methods. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.